Hello students, welcome back. Today we'll be talking on condensation and sublimation. Condensation is the opposite of vaporization. It occurs when gas turns into liquid. When a gas cools, the molecules slow down, attract each other, and then move closer. They stick together and become a liquid. If you place a lid on a pot of boiling water, you would see drops of water form on the inside of the lid. That is condensation. The hot steam hits the colder lid and turns the steam back to liquid, while sublimation is when a solid becomes a gas without ever becoming a liquid. That is the important part. Normally, states go from solid to liquid to gas, but sublimation skips a step. Sublimation is rare because it requires specific conditions to occur, such as the right temperature and pressure. Dry ice sublimes when the solid carbon dioxide CO2 turns from ice directly into CO2 gas. Thank you.